Alright guys, so basically I'm gonna show you how to braid your hair and whatnot. I'm only going to show you how to braid the first two because I already did the rest of my hair. As you can see, it's already done. I was super excited to make this video. Hopefully it does help. So if it does help, subscribe, like, share, comment. And if you want to see a braid out or a twist out, or you want me to show you how to do twists, just comment that down below. And tomorrow, a few people liked the dunk video that I posted, so I'm gonna keep pushing that out because just because I like doing my hair doesn't mean that I don't want to still be the world's greatest dunker. So that's gonna be tomorrow. Yeah guys, stay tuned.
What you want to do tonight? What you got to try? What you want to do tonight?
You see, y'all, my hair is like all crazy and whatnot, so show you guys how to actually braid your hair. And you won't have to sit there and rely on people to braid your hair, feel me? Because that's annoying. Like,
Look at the top of his head.
hey yo ma, she's like, what? Can you braid my hair? Like, nah, we're not doing none of that because that shit be annoying. And I'm a perfectionist. I like my hair to look a certain way, so, and plus I do braid out. So if you guys want to see some braid out videos, let your boy know, feel me? Let me know what you guys want to see. So I'm gonna part my hair. As you can see, my hair's already parted down the middle. It's what I do usually when I'm doing like box braids and whatnot. So yeah, so I part it like so.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Part it like so. See, like this right here. I can't really see what I'm doing. So once I finish, okay, so once I finish parting, all right, so now that you have your part, right, you want to split your hair into 3 different sections. 1, 2, and 3, right? So this is really important for when you want to know how to braid your hair. It's interchangeable. You could either go, this is my right, then left, or you could do left, then right, and just follow that pattern. So what you want to do is, this is usually what I do. I go from like right here, the roots of my hair, put my finger under the right strand, and I go over the middle. Make sure you go over the middle of your hair, or else your braid is gonna come out looking stank and nasty looking. So yeah, you get the last strand on the left hand side, right? And you basically do the same thing that you did on the right hand side and whatnot. Now that you did that, right, all you gotta do is just repeat the pattern. That's all you gotta do. Repeat it. Repeat the pattern, y'all. So that's all you got to do for when you're braiding your hair. Of course, like this is just me showing you guys how to like do basic box braids. If you guys want to see different, designs and whatnot, I could probably do it. We could test it out, and yeah, we could do all of that, y'all. Just let me know. Just let me know. So this is just one braid, and this is not even my best braid at all. This is like, I'm just showing you guys, just show you how to like get the gist of braiding your own hair. It's actually kind of rewarding. Feel me? So yeah, guys, just let me.
Something is wrong.
I didn't see that. Nah, but for real, so I get this side. I make sure that it's kinda even and whatnot. I mean, you guys can detangle your hair. I prefer not to detangle my hair because it's kind of okay. So I tried this method where I did detangle my hair, and like when I did the braid out, my curls were poofy. Never again. Never again. So like I said before, right here, right? Get one part, the next two, right? I strongly prefer to go right to left. So right across the middle. See? Right across the middle. Then left across the middle as well. Right? Like I said, as you can see, the braid is right there and it's gonna form. All you gotta do is imagine yourself braiding inside your head and you're gonna get it, because then your fingers is just gonna know what to do. That's how I actually learned how to braid my hair. It took me about 5 minutes just to learn how to do it. So really simple, just repeat the pattern and whatnot. So if you guys also want to see a full braid tutorial, I could also do that as well. Just let me know and comment down below, y'all. That's all it takes. All it takes is for you to just comment what you guys want to see. That's it. And then like, don't forget to twist on the bottom. That's what I usually do when I do my braids. Of course, this is not like my super neat and crispy braiding, as you will see in one of my pictures up there. So it's not that, and as you can see, my hair looks kind of crazy right now, but for the purpose of just this video, shit going. Where I went? Okay, I can't find my swing. But yeah, y'all just let me know what you guys want to see. You want to see a braid out video? You want to see a twist out video? You want to see a wash video? What you guys want to see? So yeah, y'all. That's pretty much it for this video. Like, all you gotta do is comment, subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff. And I will just keep pushing out the content, y'all. Feel me? I'm gonna just keep I'm gonna keep pushing it out. So yeah, just let me know. And we are gone. Don't mind that.